कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone's doing great. Reporting live from Malkajgiri from my old house. Feels really good to be back here. I know I'm acting as if I'm here after 1 or 2 years, but trust me, even 10 days feels like a lot. Seeing all these things after 10 days, already I'm feeling very nostalgic. But luckily, I'm really close to this house, like around 25-30 kilometers max. 1 hour I can come. As of now, I don't miss anything much. But yeah, life has become already comfortable as soon as I came here. Once I got up, chai is ready here. I mean, of course, puja is also there for me if I want chai. But you know, there everything is very relaxed. If we want to have chai, we'll have. If we are lazy, we'll not make it. We just go with the flow. But here, everything is ready. So one more and different and super exciting thing right now is my sister is here from Canada and her baby girl Anna is also here. Look who is here. Who is this? Yeah, who is this? Who is this?
Anaya.
Anaya. A full-on accent. Anna has full-on Canadian accent, huh? So how do you like it here?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like India? Nice. What do you like here?
I like the buildings.
You like the buildings?
Yeah.
What buildings? You like this house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's something. And what else? You like the food here? You like Amama's food? Oh yeah? What do you like? Dosa?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Everyone likes dosa in India.
And I also like bread omelet.
You like bread omelette? You just had bread omelette, right?
Yeah.
Nice. What don't you like here?
The salmon my mom makes me vomiting.
Your mom makes you vomit.
Yeah, when he makes her salmon. And when my mom makes her salmon, and I get vomiting.
ఏంటో అంటున్నావు నాకు అర్థం కావట్లే. Your accent is too strong for me, bro. Okay, this is just the start. We'll make more videos, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? You were saying something?
I'm just looking at the painting of this.
This is an Indian painting.
I'm just liking it.
Yeah, you don't have this in Canada.
No.
Oh, Canada is boring then.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it boring?
Yeah. I also got Canada also got buildings.
Oh, it's got big buildings, right?
Mhm.
You like Canada also?
Yeah.
Which one do you like more?
I like India.
Oh, you're a politician. One thing I understood about Anaya is that she likes to be on camera. She likes to talk to the camera, right? I'll ask you to repeat something. You'll say it. Okay. Say, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Do you watch my videos?
You watch my videos?
No. Don't repeat that. Do you watch my videos? I'm asking you. Do you watch my videos? You watch? Okay. Do you know how I start my video?
Yeah.
How do I do it? Do I say something?
Yeah.
What do I say?
No.
Okay. Fine. I'll tell you. You repeat after me now. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
कैसे हो?
Kaisi ho?
ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I can't hear you. I'll make you say it before you leave. Also, definitely I miss this room when I shoot. But definitely it is exciting to shoot in the new place as well. As since the last couple of years we've been shooting in this room and this house, doing something new. It's always good for your mind. Also this time one more thing I have to take is my helmet and the bikes as well. Talking about bikes and talking about weather reports in Hyderabad. Right from my old house I have to give a weather report. Very finally very clear blue skies. You see that it's nice and sunny outside with clear blue skies. And this is what we need if you want to ride. Right now temperature is also around a beautiful 27 degrees. As you guys know, I'm going for a small international trip in the next 3 or 4 days. And once I come back from there, oh yes, we are going to definitely 200% ride for sure. Though my favorite season is definitely winters. One thing I really hate about winters is having crazy dry skin. But not to worry, for such things you have solutions. I'm using the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Nourishing Cold Cream for illuminating moisturization. This cream is filled with vitamin C and honey. They are made up of nice and natural ingredients. There are no harmful chemicals in it. And if you look closely of a dry skin, it looks harsh. These ugly looking white lines appear because of that dryness. This is where Mamaearth's Vitamin C Cold Cream helps. But there is an issue with cold creams. Once you apply them, they make you look oily and greasy. But we don't have that problem problem with this. It is very light. It's not at all greasy, and then it moisturizes your skin properly and deeply. Apart from the vitamin C cold cream, we also have other variants, the Upton and Cocoa variant. All these are toxin free, and these are India's first made safe certified cold creams. The best part about this cream is that you can use it on your body and your face. Also, it gets quickly absorbed. They're all dermatologically tested, and like I told you, they have these amazing hero ingredients like vitamin C. It helps speed up skin's natural regeneration process. It's got honey, which has skin soothing properties. It's got olive oil and also organic lemon oil. Definitely try this out to fight your dry skin this winter. And do not forget to use my coupon code SHRIMAN2021. Get a flat 20% off at Mamaearth website and the app as well. Also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and Mamaearth's official app and website. Okay, it seems this is the first time she's riding on a bike. Unfortunately, these people don't have two-wheelers in Canada. They feel it's unsafe. You people don't have, right?
Yeah, we don't have it, but it's there. Like you can.
People ride. I know Canada is really famous for riding bikes. A lot of big bikes there.
Small bikes, they ride it on the footpath, like on the sidewalk.
Footpath.
Sidewalk.
Cycle under the name. This is considered a cycle, it seems. Anything below 100cc is considered a cycle there. So like I told you, after 10 days I'm here, and as soon as I came here, there is a lot of comfort already. Mom, the moment I got up morning, she was like, do you want eggs? Do you want omelette? Here mom is like, you want omelette? You want omelette? Teen then say omelette. And then I came and sat here. She's like, do you want khichdi? Which also makes there, but
Lunch chestadi
now here we get all the south options. There we get all the north options.
Okay.
Poha, dal khichdi.
Poha tinnavara?
Oh yeah, while coming here I had poha and came. Ashu, you want? You want poha? No? Take. Actor number 1. Okay, you've seen 100cc bikes in your Canada. I'll show you some fancy bikes here.
Let the cook come.
Yeah, she wanted to see it. She asked me in the morning, show me your bikes. I said, wait, we need some content. You need to wait for some time. I'll show you after my sister comes. Here, Anaya.
Do you like it?
So actually, truly, this bike belongs to you, the Dio. I'm using it, but I think she rode only like 2,000 kilometers or something in this. That 19,000 kilometers, I rode it. That too here to the gym and back, that's it.
Papa use
Done. You enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
What? Yes.
One thing about Anaya is I really want to see her face. Till now I did not see her face because
Yes,
her hair
it's
is really
so
fancy.
big.
It's always falling on her
It's
face.
so big.
My bike is so big, just like your hair.
You want to ride it?
You want to ride the bike? Okay, you want to see my bikes?
Yep.
Mama is showing you bikes, come. Okay, now let's boast a little bit. Let's show off a little bit. We are going to fancy our bikes.
Whenever I come to India, he buys a bike.
Huh?
Last time there was that tiger.
First when you came, it was a tiger.
Tiger?
I had it for 4 years. Uske pehle I had Benelli. That was for 2 years, I
I
think.
saw Benelli, I saw tiger. Whenever
Yeah.
I come, it is the bike is sold.
That means you're coming so late. You're coming
3.5
You
years,
should
4
be more
years.
frequent to India.
True.
No, actually, last 2 years she had to come, but then because of the pandemic,
because of
COVID, lockdown, and all that, she
Yeah.
couldn't come. Anyways, this is our fancy street twin. We'll go to the BMW later, the big beast. This is the street twin. It's from Triumph. One second, there'll be hundreds of millions of mosquitoes on it because we did not open the cover since the last almost, I think, maybe a month. Oh my god. There are a crazy amount of mosquitoes. There's literally, I think they're living inside. Previously there were some ants in it. They made a proper hive inside. Actually I can see spiders. Dulpudam.
Anaconda.
Sis is seeing this and she's saying Panilagundi. That's means she's saying it's like a big pig. Yeah, for the street twin she's saying that. You know what? You know the seat head is shorter than your Dio. You can aram se ride it. And Sriman is vlogging. There is a flight.
Oh,
You see that is how we connect. I know you're not in the right attire. You need to wear a nice jacket and all, leather jacket, and then sit. It'll look fancy. But for now you're in the night dress.
even night dress.
Hey, Canadian style, it's okay. Chalega. See, it suits you. It's a short bike.
Wow. Too heavy.
It feels heavy, but you know what? This BMW is much lighter than that. I mean to handle. Technically it is heavier than that, but when you sit on it, this feels lighter than that. This is easier to ride than that.
Maybe this is because of you need the stability. Oh,
The engineering of it is like that.
super bikes, they are heavy because you need such stability.
No, there is a lot of engineering. If you go into it, you'll not understand. It's too much of deep subject for you right now.
Selfie technical నేను
ఎక్కామా 2 టైర్లు ఉన్నాయా తోలినామా
అంతే.
the big beast, the lion, the king of the adventure jungle, and there'll be again hundreds of mosquitoes. Try your best. No, actually they're not much.
ఏంట్రా ఇది పెద్ద క్యామెల్ని తీసు క్యామెల్ మీద ఎక్కినట్టుంది.
Wow, I really miss this bike.
అమ్మో ఎంతుందో అమ్మో అమ్మో ఈ బైక్ చూడు ఎంత
She's like ammo entundo.
భయపడుతుంది. బైక్ చూడు ఎంత ఉంది.
It's not a bike. Come here, we'll show you a beast. We'll show you a konda. Come here.
నువ్వు చిన్న యాంట్ లాగా ఉంటుంది దాని మీద. Do you like it?
Which bike do you like? This one or that one? This one. I spent so much money. You're saying that one.
Okay, which bike are on
Oh shit. She likes the Dio more.
రెండిట్లో చెప్పు.
No, in the three. Be honest, it's okay. In the three, which one do you like?
Adega.
You like Dio only. This is very embarrassing.
Because I had a trip on that.
Oh yeah.
Because of that trip.
Only mommy.
Only mommy.
trip.
This one
So
so
beautiful. So beautiful. No problem. I'm here.
That's it. See?
I'm here. You catch this one now.
అదెవరు నైష్ ఎంత బాగా పట్టుకుంటుంది తెలుసా పండు.
A size just భయపడుతుంది. Yeah, actually it is very intimidating, the size. No, but it is on the center stand, so it stands out more. It feels more big.
ఇది ఎట్లా ఎక్కాలి?
ఎక్కేసేయాలి చెట్టు ఎక్కినట్టు ఎక్కాలి.
చెట్టే. ఏదో ఎవరెస్ట్.
వెల్ గుడ్ కీ
దీన్ని కొట్టేయాలంటే ఎట్లరా?
కొట్టేయలేరు ఎవరు. నీకు ఇలాంటి ఆలోచనలు ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి? ఎట్లా కొట్టేయాలి?
బయట ఎక్కిచ్చేస్తా.
ఏడుస్తా కూర్చొని నేను ఇలాంటివి అయితే. By the way, we have a fancy key, for this bike.
రిమోటా?
చిచి, what are you saying? It's not remote. Remote అంట. ఇదేమో టీవీ అనుకుంటున్నావా?
ఏంది?
This is Apple key tag, air tag, sorry. So that if I lose this expensive key, I can find it with my app. And this is called NFC. NFC ana? FOB, sorry.
NFC ఏంటి?
FOB full form నాకు తెలియదు కానీ. Basically you have this key in your pocket, that's it. It's communicating with the key right now.
యా జస్ట్ లైక్ కార్స్ కదా.
Yes, తెలుసు.
అబ్బా మరి కొంచెం ముందులే.
ఇది కొట్టు.
ఏం కొట్టాలి?
Just press the button. It's unlocked. It's unlocked now.
ఆన్ చెయ్యి.
ఎట్లనో తెలుసా మీద
అట్లాగా ఉన్నానా? క్యామిల్ మీద పిట్టెక్కినట్టుందా?
పట్టుకో. Seriously, I can't sit. Like, I want to be a pillion right now, but I need to get a stool and sit on it because it is literally till here, dude.
ఎంత ఉంది?
Hold it.
నీ హైట్ కి అంత ఉంది?
ఎక్కాలంటే యాక్చువల్లీ స్టూల్ కావాలి.
ఎక్కినా. అమ్మ
thumbnail. Going for a ride thumbnail.
నేనైతే పక్కా ఉన్నా.
నమ్మరు కూడా రైడ్ పోతున్నామంటే ఇట్లా.
కొట్టేసినాం అనుకుంటారా? నీ బైక్ కొట్టేసి తీసుకెళ్తున్నట్లు ఉంది. ఈ
ప్లాన్ అదే ఉండే కదా ఇందాక.
అదే ఉండే
ఇది ఎట్లా కొట్టేయాలి?
కాదు కొట్టే చాలా అడిగిన. క్యాన్ వి స్టీల్ దిస్ బైక్ గైస్?
You can't steal this bike unless you have the fob.
పాబ్ అంటే
Fob, ఇప్పుడే చెప్తున్నా కదా.
రిమోటా? రిమోట్ అన్న
టీవీ రిమోట్.
టీవీ రిమోట్ లేకుండా అది కొట్టేయలేము.
But do you see these bikes in Canada?
A lot.
The BMW 1250s.
I don't know 1250 or 1400 or 1800 నాకు తెలియదు కానీ BMW అయితే చూసిన.
There are a lot of. This is a very nice biking culture in Canada. You know that?
Yeah, they were like.
Whatever I want for the BMW, I can find it in Canada. It's very easy to find there.
And the age groups also you can see like age groups
I
of
heard
50
usually 50.
they go on those అదేంది
Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidsons. Yeah, దాంట్లో you
We
know
are
that
not
it's
going to brand Harley Davidson in my video.
కాదు వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు Harley Davidsons and like you guys.
Just kidding.
But only one thing guys, safety.
Oh, safety is the highest
It's
priority.
the highest
there.
priority.
Now India
but
is
the
also
thing,
good like that.
No. But the thing is like I feel there are a lot more bike accidents there. And whenever a bike is passing, I remember him. And I always say, God bless the one who is riding back home. Be safe. I get scared when the speed and all right.
Pray
You know what
whenever.
happened? Once I was going for a walk and a bike guy he passed. After going a little bit far, we heard this bang, and then I don't know what he hit or what happened, but he
Boom.
was there was a loud noise, and then this helicopter those all came.
Helicopter, chopper,
Like
and all
chopper
fancy
adi.
stuff.
Chopper vachi they tried to airlift him. So saddening because
really sad.
I saw him. I still remember his face.
No,
even
that is
till
the reason
today.
I always prioritize on gear.
Yeah, so
Safety gear
that
is very
is
important.
no, he was in safety gear,
Oh, still?
but still he had a helmet on everything. But his helmet.
No, that is the thing about bikes. Even
I
if
don't
you're
know
like
how
very careful wearing all the gear and all that, see, that is why I don't want to influence too much of biking.
Very
When I'm
good.
meeting a couple of parents outside, they are like, Sriman, you're doing a good job. But then our kids are getting influenced in the wrong way. They want bikes, they want super bikes, they want to ride, they want to go very far, thousands of kilometers.
No, you need to be
Which I
careful.
don't want to
but,
encourage.
Just think about your parents and
I
the
mean,
people
when you have
who are
loved ones
waiting
around you.
You always have loved ones, right? Everybody will miss you guys. I know it is fascinating when you see a super bike, but it's always
And just see and
careful,
enjoy.
yeah.
My mom, my sis, my wife, everyone is like worried when I go on
Exactly,
long tours.
yeah.
But then this is my job. I made a career around it, so that's
But
a different
I
thing
know
for me.
he is
And I'm like
very
extremely careful.
yeah.
But still, the moment I'm on a bike, on the two wheels, on a road, accidents can happen. That is
Yeah.
the truth. You can't escape that fact. I always say that when my mom says that, Kerry, that you go so far, I say, if things have to go wrong, even
will go
taking the
wrong,
DO
yeah.
and going for 10-15 kilometers, they can go wrong. Anyways, I don't want to influence the wrong things. For now, let's just show the bikes. I'm also planning a trip maybe end of this month.
గుద్దుతా నేను ఉండే వరకు ఉండు నోరు మూసుకొని
ఏ కష్టం మన నువ్వు కొంచెం
ఏం
చిన్న
అవ్వదు.
రైడ్ అవ్వాలి డిసెంబర్ కూడా పోతే నాకు ఇంకా రైడ్స్ లేవు
పోనీ జనవరి తర్వాత పో
అట్లనే నవంబర్
Guys.
దొబ్బేసింది
టెల్ గైస్ సిస్టర్ ఎన్నాళ్ళకి 3.5 years 4 years వరకు వస్తే మళ్ళీ పోతా అంటే
జస్ట్ 5-6 డేస్ ఇట్లా వెళ్ళి వచ్చేస్తా
ఏమొద్దు నోరు మూసుకొని ఇంట్లో ఉండు
ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎలా దిగాలి
ఎగురు
నువ్వు దిగాక దిగచ్చు నేను ఆగా నేనే దిగుతా ఫస్ట్ ఏ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఇస్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ హోల్డర్స్
ఇది వెయిట్ లిఫ్టింగ్ చేయొచ్చు ఏ మజిల్స్ వస్తారా నీకు అందుకోసం మజిల్స్ ఉన్నాయరా శ్రీమాన్ ఈ బండదాన్ని బట్టి
No, we are all getting, bloggers are getting an issue here because we hold a huge camera like this. Yes,
నాకు
I'm also having this issue. Oh, we did not switch it on. Once again, fancy, you just need to press this. Battery is intact. Actually, before going from here, I switched it on like 10 days back. So it should be good. And I'm planning to take this treatment to the new house. I'll be leaving the bike here. The BMW will be here. Because this goes only for long rides. And when I go for long rides, maybe I'll come here and take it because parking is really good here.
ఇదేంద్రా
This is petrol tank.
ఇది
That is a fancy storage place. Hey, what is this? Government of Jammu and Kashmir.
దీని
When I went to Ladakh.
అదంతా బెదిరిపోయాను అంతేనా
Let's go to. Sounds good. This is one big lolly. I told my sister not to get chocolates specifically. And she got lot of chocolates.
శ్రీమాన్
Look at this. ऐसे डाइट कैसा होगा?
నువ్వు ఎట్లా డైట్ చేయను అన్నావు
ఇది ఒకటి అడ్డం పెట్టుకొని చించేస్తున్నాం మళ్ళీ ఇలా అయితే కష్టమా మా పొట్టలు పెరుగుతున్నాయి బట్ విల్ టేక్ లిమిటెడ్ క్వాంటిటీ యూజువలీ ఐ స్నాచ్ అవే ద ఎంటైర్ బాక్స్ బట్ నౌ ద ఇష్యూ ఇస్ యూ గెట్ బట్ ద ఇష్యూ ఇస్ nowadays we get every damn thing here in India. Amazon पे सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Yeah, it is hot. And Canadians are feeling hot.
వేడిగానే ఉంది మస్తు నీకు లేదారా
Hey, unboxing of chocolates today.
వన్నే
Oh, fancy Buddha savalu. Oh, snowman, sorry, Buddha. What's your favorite food?
I like bread omelet.
పొద్దున కూడా ఇదే చెప్పిన బ్రెడ్ ఆమ్లెట్
నీకు
Which one is yours?
యూ వాంట్ డార్క్ చాక్లెట్
dark milk and this is basically
Hey,
triple
dark
chocolate.
milk.
So then let's end the vlog here. It was really amazing spending time with my sister at home literally after 3+ years, and more importantly I love showing her the bikes and all that. Also do check out the links in the description for Mama Earth's cold creams. Best part is whenever you buy from Mama Earth they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. Their aim is to plant 1 million trees by 2025. Also check out the brand new Mama Earth's app, the Android and the iOS app. Both the links are in the description. App users get early access to sales and hence extra discounts. sounds. Also, upcoming vlogs are gonna be next level interesting because we are also going to start our new travel plans. I'm gonna travel international, lot of things this month to do. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, do share, do comment, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Oh, we have unboxings as well, lot of unboxings. We already unboxed that. So stay tuned.